I hope not.
That's cannibalistic and that is wrong.
Welcome back, guys. I'm Jed.
And I'm Sandy. Today we're back in LA.
Apparently we're super excited about it.
We are very excited about it because we are in Little Tokyo, and the last time we were here we actually stumbled over here for some lunch and we instantly knew that we'd have to come back.
So we decided it would be a fun idea to kind of do a do-it-yourself food tour.
So we are going to take you around Little Tokyo in search of some of the best food here, and it is going to be delicious, so I hope you wear your stretchy pants.
And brush up on those chopstick skills because
it's time to eat.
Let's go.
Okay, so our first stop of the day is breakfast. So we are at Cafe Dolce, which we heard has amazing coffee and amazing donuts. So we got several things to try. We've got a maple macadamia donut, a strawberry cream?
Yeah, with strawberry cream.
Strawberry cream donut, and then we have two of their bacon maple donut holes, which we heard are the absolute thing that you must get and try.
I'm really excited about these.
And so, and also this is a Vietnamese coffee, not exactly, you know, Japanese, but it is very strong.
So I'm gonna grab one of these bacon donut holes. Was it bacon maple? Ooh, good catch. Ooh, good catch. This is everything you want this to be and you think it tastes like. Oh my gosh, it is so good.
We're gonna need a few minutes before we can talk again.
You should just go back in and clean them out of these. End of food tour. Eat these, nothing else all day.
I'm seriously in heaven right now. So our first stop on our food tour here was a mad success. Those are some of the best donuts that I've had.
Wait, a mad success?
Mad success.
Those bacon donut holes are everything that
you don't
we
need
read
anything
about.
Else. You don't need anything else.
No,
just get
not
those
really.
and a coffee and you're set for breakfast.
So right across the way is this cool little wishing tree. So for 50 cents you can tie a little message to, or a wish I guess, to the tree, and they're supposed to come true.
Yeah, so make sure you make your wish while you're here.
I wish for more bacon donut holes.
We could probably make that happen. If only.
So one of my absolute favorite snacks when I was stationed in Japan were onigiri, or rice balls. And I used to pick these up from 7-Eleven and grocery stores. They have a supermarket here in Old Tokyo. You can actually pick them up as well. Well, the next place we're going specializes in gourmet. I guess it's not homemade because they're not made in a home, but close enough. All right, so we're here at Rice and Nori. Love this mural that you see as soon as you get in here. If you snag the corner seat, look for this little guy, kind of hidden. Scared to death riding the wave. But these guys specialize in onigiri, or rice balls. Today we got a spicy
Tuna.
Spicy tuna.
Spicy lobster.
Spicy lobster and shrimp, and a salmon yuzu. Alright, so I'm gonna try the salmon yuzu first. It has like sesame seeds and seaweed wrapped on the outside. It's got a little Little dab of salmon. That is so good. So the whole thing's really soft until you get to the middle. It's got a little like spicy coating on the outside. I don't know exactly what that is, but it's really good.
So up next we have the lobster. And it looks absolutely delicious.
Don't get that one, you will choke to death and die, apparently.
So, I forgot that this one was a spicy one. And it's not that it's that spicy, it's just that I got some caught in the back of my throat. But it is really good. Taste that. Is that tuna? I can't. I think that might be the tuna instead of lobster. I think it's tuna.
I think it is tuna.
We had that backwards. It's all wrong.
Our channel is built on a foundation of lies.
So just switch anything that we said tuna with lobster and lobster tuna.
It is spicy though. It's got some good spice.
It's got a good spice. The rice is perfect. It's nice and sticky.
Time for the lobster one this time. The actual lobster one. Okay, now that's lobster and shrimp. This one's awful. You shouldn't eat any of it.
This is absolutely delicious. You can see the pieces of lobster in there. Nice, pretty good sized pieces of shrimp as well. This is mine. Sorry. No more for you, Jed.
That was a lot of food.
It was, but it was so good. We're on our second place, and I do not know how we're going to manage to eat ourselves away. We're not eating ourselves.
I hope not.
That's cannibalistic, and that is wrong.
That's another video. Comment below if you want us to eat people. Actually, if you comment that you want us to eat people, then you might want to unsubscribe. That's awful. That's terrible.
But anyway,
my favorite one was the shrimp and lobster.
absolutely, definitely was delicious. Probably the second would be the salmon and the yuzu, and then
the spicy tuna.
And it was good too. So they
Yeah,
were
all of them were good.
Yeah, so definitely if you want to check out some rice balls, rice and nori is your place.
Speaking of which, we are getting pretty full, so we're going to try to walk this off a bit.
All right. Okay, so now we're going to take a little bit of a break from some of the heavier food and get us a little bit of a sweet treat. We are standing outside of a little confectionery shop here called Fogetsu Do, and it is one of the oldest confectionery shops here in Little Tokyo, and it's been around since 1903, and since that time it's been totally family owned and operated. Want to do that one? Yeah, we'll just... Okay, so I can't really say that I've tried a lot of mochi in my life. Mostly if I've had it, it's been ice cream mochi. But these are traditional mochi, and really I think this may be the first time I've ever tried one. So we got 3 different types. We got one that's a blueberry, one that's strawberry, and one that is another flavor wrapped in a pancake that I can't remember what the flavor was.
Is it like matcha or green tea or?
Something like that. It's green. But this is the blueberry one. They're absolutely beautiful. They're very kind of soft to the feel. Or is it like the rice? Is that what it is?
Rice flour and bean cake, or bean paste. Rice flour and bean paste. Half of that ended up on your lip.
I know.
And on
I
your
know. I
dress.
feel it. I feel it.
Pro tip when eating mochi, get most of it, if not all of it, inside of your mouth.
And don't wear black.
Don't wear black.
It's good. It's very soft, very gooey, pasty.
So I got the strawberry. I can't explain the texture of this. It's
weird. It's different than anything I've really eaten.
I mean, the flavor is, so it's, the flavor's sweet. It tastes like strawberry, but it's like, I'm trying to think. It's like eating dough, but it doesn't taste like dough, but it's got the...
It's even softer than dough.
Yeah. It's fun to eat. You're like, wee! Okay, maybe not like that. So we're here at Daikokuya Daikokuya Ramen. It's supposed to be one of the best ramen places in Little Tokyo. So one tip when you do come here, it is cash only, so plan ahead.
Oh my god, that smells so rich and delicious.
That has to be some of the best ramen I've ever had. The end of the world is happening out here. I don't know what's going on. So the gyoza was honestly some of the best gyoza I've ever had in my life. It was amazing. The broth from the ramen though, their signature ramen, super savory. It was just, oh my gosh, it was amazing.
I could just drink it like.
So we're gonna still hang in strong and hopefully complete this food tour.
Yeah, I don't know if I can go on, but I will because
for you guys,
because there's more food for us to eat.
All right, so we're gonna walk around a little bit and hopefully we'll be hungry after a little bit and show you some more places.
So our next stop was supposed to be here at Tonata Takoyaki. Unfortunately, they are closed.
However, luckily,
we actually stopped here in our last video where we explored the Arts District. We'll put a link up here to that video so you can check that out. But the takoyaki here is really, really good.
If you're not familiar with takoyaki it's a
ball.
It's a ball full of chopped octopus and like a gooey batter. Mm-hmm. It's topped with a almost teriyaki sauce, but not as sweet.
And like mayonnaise, and then what is the little flakes?
Japanese mayo and bonita flakes. So happens to be one of my favorite dishes, and
amazing street food. You can walk right up here to their counter, pick up some to go as you're walking around. And
they also have some, along with the traditional takoyaki, they also have some different, more creative flavors like jalapeno, and so I haven't tried those yet, but definitely worth checking out in the future.
Feelings about this.
That's what the ice cream is called.
That is what the ice cream is called. So we are at Bae, which is an ice cream shop. We are at Bae, which is an ice cream shop. And this is the Mixed Feelings ice cream cone in a charcoal cone. And that is a charcoal pineapple and vanilla swirl mix. And then we got we paid $5 for this gold leaf. Don't judge us. But I thought it was like little sprinkles and not just a slab of gold leaf on there. But it's gold and I'm going to eat it because, you know. Okay.
How's it taste though?
It's good.
Does it taste $5 better?
No, it doesn't taste $5 better. But I forgot that it was pineapple when I bit into it. So it's very pineapple-y. It's good.
So I did take
kind of like a Dole Whip.
Yeah, I did take a taste of it. It does kind of remind me of Dole Whip. Or like a pineapple creamsicle.
And it's melting very quickly.
Oh, it's hot.
And my gold is running away.
All right, guys, so we are absolutely stuffed.
We have eaten way too much food. We had planned on one more stop, but we just can't do it. We're too full.
We understand that there's much more in Little Tokyo that's delicious and should be put in your face hole.
Yeah, every single place we went today, we really, really enjoyed what we had. So if I were you, I would not hesitate to go to any of those if you're visiting the area.
Speaking of which, if you were going to do a do-it-yourself food tour here in Little Tokyo, was there a place that we did not go to that you would absolutely put on a list? Let us know in the comments below.
Alright guys, so I think that's going to do it for this video. If you found this video useful, then go ahead and give us a thumbs up. If you're new here to our channel, we'd love it if you'd hit that subscribe button.
Yeah, welcome guys.
And hang out for a while. And then don't forget to hit that notifications bell so that you can be aware of all these amazing videos that we're putting out.
Alright Wonders, that does it for this time. And until next time, stay wonderful.
Here, lick this.
Fall down.